Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to edit photos in Canva. Let's get started. First, open Canva and sign in to your account. Click Create a Design, then choose any design size or open an existing project. Next, upload a photo from your computer or choose one from Canva's photo library. Click on the photo to select it. Now click Edit or Edit Image from the top toolbar. Here you can improve your photo using different editing tools. Adjust the brightness to make the image lighter or darker. Change the contrast to add more depth. Increase or decrease the saturation to make the colors more vibrant or softer. You can also adjust the warmth, highlights, and shadows for a better look. If you want a different style, open the Filters section and choose any filter you like. To change the image size, click Crop, adjust the frame, and apply the changes. You can also rotate or flip the image if needed. Once you're happy with your edits, click Share, then select Download. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPG, and click Download. That's it, you've successfully edited a photo in Canva. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.